There are many projects which run like this. But there are other projects run another way. The difference between this manager and that manager is Mefram. And this is our calling card. Mefram's experience in building large-scale projects has given it a reputation for excellence in carrying out a wide range of complex industrial projects. The success comes from a combination of experienced manpower, a full component of modern equipment, solid economic backing. Mefram offers you a solid product, delivery on time, strict adherence to budget. These are Mefram's goals. Mefram's lines of business are erecting factories, civil engineering projects, steel structures and buildings, design and manufacture of machines and equipment, containers, vessels, pressure vessels and process equipment, conveyors, pipeworks, assembly of equipment and machines, regie works, turnkey projects, EPCM, and site management. These are some of the projects Mefram has been involved in. In the Kiryat HaPlada steel mills, Mefram carried out a wide range of projects, one of which is the erection of the automatic hot steel collection system. This system collects the bars at the end of the production line, 4 at a time, and passes them on to a concentration point from which they are taken to storage. This system was assembled by Mefram, working in close cooperation with the factory's maintenance team. This is the Tivol factory at Kibbutz Lochamei HaGetaot, producing vegetarian meat substitutes. Mefram started the project with an empty building. Within several months, after intensive work and efforts by the talented professional staff of Mefram, working together with the kibbutz staff, the factory was established and production began. Everything necessary to manufacture the product assembled and installed, including process pipes, pneumatic piping, thermal oil pipelines, storage and process tanks. Reliable and experienced fitters and argon welders approved by the US FDA and the civil aviation industry carried out these jobs to the complete satisfaction of the client. 2 years later, Tivol decided to expand its production, and Mefram was selected again to carry out the second project. The Gal Tefen factory in the Galilee, one of Israel's largest packaging producers. Mefram dismantled this factory piece by piece. It transported and reassembled all its contents in its new location. The job included assembly of sophisticated heavy equipment. This included accurate mechanical works in reassembly of printing and lamination machines within an exceedingly tight schedule, all with the aim of causing minimal disruption of ongoing production. Each machine was checked for alignment immediately after installation. Each piece of machinery was connected to its service systems, and the factory was able to begin operation almost immediately. Mefram also installed all the service systems such as thermal pipes to oil, gas pipes, water, cooling, and firefighting systems. In addition, Mefram provided the client with engineering solutions, including EPCM, procurement of raw materials, management of time schedules, budgets, flowcharts, and coordination with various experts in Israel and abroad. This advanced milk yard belongs to Kibbutz Hanaton in the Galilee. The plant was designed with kibbutz know-how. Mefram erected the entire project in all its aspects, from groundbreaking, foundation, building and bricklaying, to electrical installation, carousel, mechanical dogs, conveyors, and feeding system. This facility is easy to use, enabling milking of 600 head within 1 hour. Mefram develops and produces special projects for the Israel Defense Forces and the Defense Ministry. This tank is towing a new product which was planned and developed by Mefram, MR, Mobile Reservoir. This tanker has attracted a great deal of interest from the defense establishment both in Israel and abroad. It is designed to be towed carrying liquids to the battlefield under any territorial conditions. It can carry 15,000 liters. The tankers have many other uses, such as in agriculture, firefighting, and fueling heavy equipment in the field. This is the Dganit bakery at Kibbutz Mishmar Sharon, one of the largest and most advanced in Israel. It was erected without halting the activities at the previous bakery site. Mefram assembled and installed machinery for kneading dough, advanced proofing equipment, a heavy stove, a complete system of trays and conveyors. Service installations like water, oil, and steam were connected to the baking equipment. In parallel, Mefram produced and installed systems for transporting dough and bread. Mefram proved its ability to coordinate and manage a wide variety of factors and to keep to the tightest time schedule. Once again, when the client decided to upgrade the factory, they returned to Mefram. Since its establishment in 1962, Mefram has proven its ability to successfully carry out complex projects. Included among our customers are many major Israeli industrial organizations. The peanut factory of Kibbutz Givat Chaim was refurbished by Mefram from top to bottom, including the installation of new frying and roasting machinery and the planning and installation of conveyors and connecting equipment. At the Gat Juice Factory, Mefram produced and assembled bucket elevators which transport some 120 tons of fruit an hour. And an aseptic installation for filling and packaging the juice, including the mechanical and piping equipment, a conveying system, and a palletizer. The client returned to Mefram a third time in order to set up a new system of reception, loading, and unloading of citrus fruit via water. At Kibbutz Nir David, in the factory for producing chemical paper, Mefram was chosen by a foreign firm to provide support in installing the factory systems, including all mechanical works, pipe works, and service systems. At the Tamar Rotem fertilizer factory in the Negev, Mefram manufactured and installed a field thickener, one of the largest in the Middle East, pressure and process containers, jacket pipes and process pipes, stackers, conveyors, automation equipment, helixes, and more. All these jobs were carried out with Mefram working simultaneously as both the production company and the installing contractor. The ability to carry out complex tasks, including production and trial assembly, and dismantling and reassembly on site, gives our customers start-to-finish handling under one roof. Mefram's technical offices carry out detailed design and computerized time schedule management, which follows the progress of a project in real time. This approach enables efficient mobilization of manpower and equipment between sites, providing savings for each and every project. Mefram also carries out all aspects of project management, making all the necessary contacts and arrangements needed to bring projects to realization, including management, planning, coordination, purchasing, tenders, site management, and supervision. Using this system, Mefram saves its customers more than 20% of the lowest bid provided by the prime contractor. Mefram places at its customers' disposal an attractive credit package for realizing all stages of a project, aligning Mefram with leading foreign credit firms. When it comes to executing and managing your project successfully, you can feel secure with Mefram. Mefram will complete your project exactly as you envisioned. Your project is our project, and your success is our calling card.